Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix Kick not loading. So it's very easy to fix common issues. So if you're seeing any issues about Kick, what you can do is just search up Kick server status and check the server status of it. So what it does, it just basically tells you that if the servers are up, and if it's up, you can just check it, and if it's down, then it's basically on the website and you gotta wait. Other than that, you gotta make sure that you aren't running any VPNs on the background and you don't have any extensions running on the background. And what you can do is just you can delete your browsing data, or at least cookies. And here, as you can see, you can just delete cookies and data from the other side, and then cache, and then you gotta press delete data. Once you do that, just make sure that is happening, and then just make sure that your PC is connected to stable internet and you don't have any sort of VPNs going on. And yeah, you just gotta make sure that and just go to Kick and it will work. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.